Thank you for clicking on Zara Beauty Recipe. I'm going to show you a simple home remedy to make your hair very long in a short time, and also to prevent your hair from falling and making your hair very healthy. First, we have an egg here. I'm going to break an egg. Now I'm going to pour out the egg white. Only the egg white is needed for this special hair growth home remedy. Here we have our egg white. You can see the egg white here. You only pour out the egg white and leave the yolk. And then add a spoon of olive oil into the egg white. The quantity should be commensurate to your hair. After mixing the olive oil and egg white, you now add honey, pure organic honey, into the mixture. Remember, the quantity of what you're making should be commensurate to your hair. You add the honey and also mix very well. This is all you need to make your hair grow faster and healthier. After washing your hair very clean, you pat it, you put it from the root of your hair to the tip of your hair, and then massage it for about 5 minutes. Then get an airtight cap or any shower cap. You cover your head with it and allow it to sink in and let your hair take in all the nutrients from this special mixture for about 1 hour. Then you wash with clean water, preferably cold water, and then you shampoo your hair. You are advised to do this at least once in a week. You will notice a remarkable difference in the length of your hair, and your hair will be thick, healthy, and very long. Please, you can also scroll down and watch our other interesting videos on hair care and beauty tips. You can also share this video with your loved ones and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to also subscribe so that you'll be updated on our new videos each time they are being uploaded. You can also follow our Facebook page at Zara Beauty Recipe or at Zara Niger. Thank you.